Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Monday's Daily Financial Review. Here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The last session saw the dollar gain 0.7% against the yen. The stochastic RSI is giving a positive signal. The Bitcoin rose 0.5% against the dollar in the last trading session. According to the Ultimate Oscillator, we are in an overbought market. The last session saw the Aussie drop 0.3% against the dollar. The stochastic RSI is giving a positive signal. The oil dropped 0.7% against the dollar in the last session. The CCI is giving a negative signal.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analysts for today.
Gold prices were pressured by an uptick in the US dollar, but still notched another weekly gain, as uncertainties around incoming President Donald Trump's policies and renewed bets of further rate cuts lifted bullion above the key $2,700 level. Oil prices settled lower but notched their fourth straight weekly gain, as the latest US sanctions on Russian energy trade added to worries about oil supply disruptions. China notified the International Monetary Fund that its economy grew by 5% in 2024, IMF chief economist Pierre-Olivier Gourinchas said, calling the development a positive surprise compared to the IMF's forecast of 4.8%.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
Germany's producer price index will be released at 7 GMT, the Eurozone's construction output at 10 GMT, Japan's capacity utilization at 4:30 GMT. Japan's industrial production will be released at 4:30 GMT, Japan's tertiary industry index at 4:30 GMT, the UK's Rightmove house price index at 0:01 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Monday's financial review. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.